Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready? Watch my story. Let's start. Wow, Mark, look at this hotel.
It's beautiful, Emma.
The lobby is so big.
Yes, very big and very nice.
I love the lights up there.
Me too. This is a great hotel.
I am so happy to be here.
Me too. Our vacation starts now.
Where is the reception, Mark?
I think it is over there.
Okay, let's go check in.
Yes, let's go to the reception. This luggage is heavy.
Yes, mine too.
Don't worry, we are almost there.
I see the reception desk now.
Good. Let's walk over there.
Do you have our reservation, Mark?
Yes, I have it right here.
Good. And our passports.
Yes, I have our passports too.
Perfect. I am ready to check in.
Me too. Let's go say hello.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Hello, we have a reservation.
Wonderful. What is your name, please?
My name is Mark, and this is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Mark and Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Let me check your reservation.
Thank you very much.
One moment, please.
No problem. Take your time.
Ah, yes, I found your reservation. Can I see your passports, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport.
And here is my passport too.
Thank you very much. Let me check your passports.
Take your time.
Everything looks good.
That's great news.
Your room is on the 5th floor.
Oh, the 5th floor. Nice.
I love a room with a view.
I am sure you will love it. Here is your key card.
Thank you so much.
Your room number is 512.
512. Okay, I remember.
The elevator is over there.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
If you have any problem, please call reception.
Okay, thank you very much.
We will. Thanks again.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's go find our room, Emma. Here is the elevator.
Let's press the button.
I will press it.
Okay, thank you.
The elevator is coming.
Good. I am a little tired.
Me too. Let's sit down soon.
Yes, let's go inside.
Here is room 512.
Finally, I am so tired.
Me too. Let's go inside. The key card is not working.
What? Try again, Mark.
Okay, I am trying again.
Is it working now?
No, the door is not opening.
Oh no, that is a problem.
Yes, a real problem.
What should we do now?
Let's go back to the reception. Excuse me, I have a problem.
Oh no, what is the problem?
Our key card is not working.
I am sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Which room is it, please?
Room 512.
Okay, thank you.
My wife is waiting upstairs.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Let me check the system now. I am checking the system.
Take your time.
Ah, I see the problem now.
What is it?
The card was not activated.
Oh, I understand now.
Don't worry, I can fix it.
That's great news.
I am making a new key card.
Thank you so much.
It will only take a moment.
No problem. I can wait.
Here is your new key card.
Thank you very much.
This card will work now.
I am very happy to hear that.
I am sorry for the problem.
It's okay. Thank you for fixing it.
You are welcome. Enjoy your room.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye. Thanks again.
Mark, you are back.
Yes, I have a new key card.
Oh, good. Did they fix the problem?
Yes, they fixed it.
I am so happy.
Me too. Let's try the door.
Okay, I am ready. I hope it works this time.
Me too. Let's see. The door is opening.
Yes, finally.
Look, Emma, our room.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
I love this room.
Let's put down the luggage.
Good idea. I am so tired.
Me too. Let's relax now.
Yes, our vacation really starts now.
I am so happy we are here.
Me too, Emma. This is perfect.
Thank you, Mark. I love you. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.